Google's Android laptops, will they revolutionize the laptop experience by borrowing from the smartphone playbook? It's a question that's been buzzing in the tech world, and for good reason. Google seems to be betting big on Android laptops, possibly because they see Chromebooks struggling to compete with the giants of the market like Mac and Windows. The success of Android in the mobile space is undeniable, and now Google is looking to replicate that triumph in the laptop arena. But how exactly will they do it? Let's dive in. Cellular connectivity, a game changer? Laptops with built-in cellular connectivity aren't new, but they're not exactly mainstream either. Windows laptops have offered this feature for a while Chromebooks have been slower to adopt it. The core issue? Cellular has always been an extra cost. But here's where it gets interesting. Will Android laptops break the mold and include cellular modems as a standard feature, perhaps with a small price increase? This could be a huge selling point, a clear differentiator that sets them apart. Imagine Google's marketing team highlighting how these laptops share a key feature with the Android phones we all know and love. It's a direct jab at Apple, which hasn't yet embraced cellular connectivity in its laptops. From a technical perspective, it makes perfect sense. Google already has the expertise, and Android apps are designed to be smart about switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks, saving users from data overages. If Qualcomm is deeply involved, as some reports suggest, modem integration could be seamless. Furthermore, default cellular connectivity opens doors for carrier partnerships. This could mean Android laptops appearing in carrier stores, providing valuable demo space alongside retailers like Best Buy. This could also lead to subsidized laptops, making them more affordable for budget-conscious consumers. However, here's a potential snag. Will consumers be willing to see their monthly cellular bills increase? Customization, a balancing act. Another key question is the level of customization that OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, will be able to offer. Will we see custom launchers and home screens like on Android phones, or will the experience be more uniform, like on Chromebooks? The author speculates that Google might introduce a single home screen concept, a familiar desktop experience. This contrasts with Chrome OS, which has always lacked a traditional desktop. And this is the part most people miss. While consistency benefits users, OEMs, especially those already invested in Android, might want to create custom user experiences to differentiate their products. For Google, this could be a double-edged sword. It might attract partners and challenge Windows, but it could also complicate the update process if manufacturers layer their own modifications on top. We've seen how Samsung has customized the UI in Android XR, mirroring its mobile devices, and how Android Automotive is heavily influenced by different brands. This raises the question, how much end-user customization will Google allow on desktop Android? Allowing third parties to develop alternative launchers and desktop ideas could attract tech-savvy users. Even more intriguing would be the ability to create alternative window management systems. In conclusion, the future of Android laptops is filled with exciting possibilities. Will Google's strategy pay off? Will they successfully translate the smartphone experience to the laptop world? What do you think? Will built-in cellular connectivity be a game changer? Should Google prioritize a consistent user experience or allow for more customization? Share your thoughts in the comments below.